f of A, B, C, D, and E. It's a 5 variable here. Equals the summation of the minterms. 0, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 18, 19, 22, 23, 25, 27, yowza, 28, 29, 31. Again, if it's 5 variables, we make 2 sets of them. Since A is written on the left, that's the most significant. So this is B, C, D, E. This group when A equals to 0. And there's another one just like it when A equals to 1. Zero, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is when A equals to 1. And in case you forgot the numbering, this is the 0, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. On this side, this will be the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. I have a value of 1 where? At 0, at 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 18, 19, 22, what is 22? Oh, down here. 23, 25, 27, 28, 29, and 31. Again, you got to visualize these two sitting on top of each other.
Could we do 13, 9, 15, 11, 29, 25, 31, 25?
You mean this group with this group together?
Yes.
Yes, they're sitting on top of each other. A group of 8 is better than a group of 4. Notice A is changing here. A went from 0 to 1, so A is gone. Now let's look at B, C, D, E. B is staying the same, which is 1, so that's B.
C is changing.
C is changing, that's gone. D is changing, that's
E
gone.
is not changing.
E is there.
B leaves. We could do the bottom left 4 group.
So you want to do these 4? because I can't really group them. So that's a group of 4. I'll take that. That's A is 1. Don't forget to add the A. A is not changing. B is not changing. That's B not. C is changing. D is not. And E is changing. I need these 2 ones here, but instead of these 2 ones, I can take them with these. A is 0, that's A naught. B is changing, that's gone. C is 1. D is changing, E is 1.
These are stacked on top of each other, right?
Correct.
And you couldn't do how high can a pattern go?
It's, it goes in powers of 2.
2, 4, 8, 16, the grouping.
Could you,
Can group 6.
could you go up? Could you go 8 or is like a square?
Which
Or
one?
more? The top, the 4 and the A equals 1, the 4 and the A equals 0 to the right.
4.
Yeah.
There's no 1 in 4.
Oh, I meant like in A equals 0, there's 9, 11, 13, and 15.
9, 11.
13 and 15, and then there's on the A equals 1, you got.
Oh, we did that. That's the BE.
This one went with that one, and that's this one.
Okay.
This one is this. This one is this.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Now, notice this one, I still need to take it, but instead of taking it by itself, I can take it with this. A is 1, that's A. B is 1, C is 1. What about D? D is 0, you complement that, and E is changing.
And then we have to take that.
This one, there's nothing to group him with. So you don't have a choice. That's A naught, because A is 0. B naught, C naught, D naught, E naught. And you can look as much as you want to. You will not be able to solve these algebraically using Boolean algebra. You can't. You're stuck with it. Now, if you want to do them with one map, we did that last time with top and bottom instead of 2 maps. I have no problem with 2 maps, to be honest with you. It's not a big deal. I think it's easier for me to see. But for those people like the 1 map, I'll do them that way too. Same problem. Just make the map a little bit bigger. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. The numbering for these is the top half when A is 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we use the bottom half when A is 1. This is the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Now let's fill in the values. 0, 5, so here we go. 0, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 18, 19, where's the 19? 18, 19, 22, 23, 22, 23, 25, 27, 28, 29, and what? 31? Now you can see these 4 boxes, both the top and the bottom are filled. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So if I take that group here, right there, A is gone because A was changing. Top and bottom, it's changing. 0 to 1. A is 0 on the top, A is 1 on the bottom, so A is changing. B is not, so that's B. C is changing, it's gone. D is changing, it's gone. E is there. I also see, I don't know if you see him, I see 4 ones on the bottom half right here. Each one on the bottom here, these 4 cells, each one on the bottom has a 1 in it. And if you look at that, that means A did not change. A has a value of what? 1 in the bottom. B stayed 0, that's B bar. C did change, that's gone. D stays 1, that's D, and E is changing. I see these 4 ones on the top to take these ones, because I got to group these ones here. But instead of taking these ones by themselves, I'll take them with these 4. The top. Now if I grab these, what do we have? A is 0, that's A bar. B is changing, it's gone. C is 1. D is changing, that's gone. E is there. It looks like everything is grouped right now with the exception of this one and this one. Well, I can take this one by itself, but it's better if I take it with this one. Both in the bottom. That means A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, D is 0. E is gone. And the last one is this one. That's the top. That means A is 0, B 0, C 0, D 0, E 0. And that's the expression of the solution to that one. Same thing.
It does look nicer if you know how to use it.
Yeah, once you get the hang of this, it's not bad. But I mean, this is still not bad as long as you visualize these are on top of each other. If you can visualize, oh, that's the same group, that means A is gone.
I would never want to do this, but could you have like a 4-corner box? Like
You can. Absolutely, you can have 4 corners. You can group them because the edges are folded like this. You can take the edges and fold them,
Yeah.
and you can grab it, yes. And if you have it on all 4, it's even better because A is gone.
Yeah.
So this is actually location 1, 2, 8, and 10. If you have 1, 2, 8, 10 to be 1, sure you can. It's even better if you have 16, 24, 18, and 26. Yes?
So, if you go back to that, like, The other man. You have like 4 ones in a row there. How come you can't group those together?
Which one? Here?
No, the 4 like vertical in the second column.
Here? Vertical
In the second column.
in the second column. Oh, these are A in the top, those on the top, those on the bottom. You can't.
Yeah.
They're not the same.
These are different.
Yep. Actually, these are
So
the...
we're only off by 1 digit though?
Nope. Actually, if you look, this and this off by 1 digit, but not this and this.
You could group
Yeah.
7 and 23, but
Yeah.
you can't.
You can take these 4 here,
Yeah.
but I don't need them because I already grouped them here and here. That would be an extra term. Those 4 ones I could, but in this case, there's no need for them because everyone has already been grouped. So if you group these 4 bottom ones, you're just adding an extra term to your expression, which you don't need. It's already covered somewhere else. Let me try another one. And again, here we go. Change marker. F of A, B, C, D, and E equals. The summation 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. They'll be coming. 21, 24, 25, 26, and 27. I wanted to put one with the 4 corners. John asked about the 4 corners. I think this one has them, unless I counted wrong. I'll do them both ways. A, oh, not A, B, C, D, E. A is 0 here. And the other one, B, C, D, E. This is when A equals to 1. Quickly, I'll put the numbers. It makes it easier. 0, 1, 2, 3 when we're discussing which one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the next block is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Uh-oh. I made a mistake here. I didn't jump. 26, 27, 28.
You missed 16.
That's 16.
Yeah, I mean for the midterms, that you want to get all the corners.
I was just looking at this one. I don't know if I couldn't remember all of them. So I was just thinking about this one. I got the 0, the 2. Oh, I didn't get the 2? Ah, all right. Let's see what I have.
You need 2 and 8.
2 and 8. Want to put 2 and 8 there? No, just these, just even these. Let's see what this one looks like first, then I might adjust. I got a 0 has a 1, 1 has a 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. Bless you. 21, 24, somewhere here, 25, 26, 27, that's it.
Not even the best way to take the corners.
Nope. But actually, this is not bad.
You get the 7, 15, 6, 14 block.
You can do, yep.
11, 10, 26.
There's one group. There's one group. There's a group of 4 right there. See them? Right there.
Then you can do the group of 4 from
Then I can do,
27.
to get these two, I'll take the group of 4. And to take the 21 is 21 and 5. See them right there, top of each other. That's a group of 2. That would be the best way to grab it. Bend your stuff in the folder there. Yep. So this group by itself, A is 0, that's A bar. B is 0, complement that, B bar. C is changing, that's gone. D is 0, complement that. E is changing, drop it. Add to it this group right here. A is 0, so that's A bar. B is changing, it's gone. C is 1. D is 1. E is changing. These two, 2 and 2, that's 4. A is changing, so it's gone. B has a value of 1, it's good. C has a value of 0. D has a value of 1, and E is changing. Instead of taking these ones by themselves, I took the 4 ones here. A is 1. B is 1. C is 0. And D and E are changing. And the last one is this one here. I'm taking it with this one, so A is changing, A is gone. B is 0, that's B naught. C is 1, that's good. D is 0, that's complement. And E is 1. If I do this with one map, then I'll go to 6 variable K-map after this. I should have made it a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Just got to write small. Top and bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, now the bottom half, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. The top when A is 0, the bottom when A is 1. We have a 1 where? At 0, at 1, at 4, at 5, at 6, at 7, at 10, and 11, 14 and 15. Then we do 21, bottom, 21, 24, bottom, 25, bottom, 26, 27, bottom, bottom. There we go. And that's it. We said a group of 4 is better than a group of 8. Well, let's look at this. This is a group of 4 right here. The top half. See on the top half? That's the top half. Since it's a top half, that means A is 0. B is 0. C is changing. D is 0. E is changing. There's another top 4. Just the top. That means A stays the same, which is 0. B is changing, it's gone. C is 1. D is 1. E is changing. Now I can take, I have really 2 options to this solution. Remember last time we took these 4 together? I could also take the top 2 here with the top 2. See that? So this really has 2 options. So to get the bottom 2 here, I need to group these 4. I have to. To get that 1 up there. There's a 1 here. So to get that, I need to group the bottom 4. So that will be what? A is 1. B is 1. C is 0. To get this one, I'll come back to that one. To get this one, there's only one choice. I have to take it with this. A is changing and everything else staying the same. B is 0, C, D is 0, E. Here's the only 2. I have 2 answers to that one. I should have wrote it down here because I didn't write it down here. I took this with this just to group that one, but I took these 4. Everyone see that? I could have went like this. And not counting this and that one. Same thing here. What do you want to do with these 2? There's 2 more here. It's up to you. I can either take them with this, or I can take them with this. If I take them with this, I'll have this group. A is changing, that's gone. B is 1. C is 0. D is 1. E is changing. Or what? I can take it with this to get these 4 ones. So, or if I take these, that's the top half. That means A is not changing. B is what? 1. C is changing, it's gone. D is 1. And E is changing. So I can do either this or this one. So there's two solutions to that one. This with that. This with that one. You could have multiple solutions. So to get these two ones, I can take them with this, or I can take them with that one. So two options here. That's this group here. If you take them with this one, and the other one is this group if you take them with the other two. Is that better? You look at the picture, you know. With the yellow one will be this, but if you take them with the pink one, will be that one. And one is not better than the other.
Well, in the past you would take either answer, obviously.
Yep, they will tell you there's two solutions. The problem will say two solutions to that problem, because that's one solution, and the second solution is this one. So either one. Okay, let's bring in now, God help us all, 6 variable K-map. Okay, rest your arms, fingers. Just to write the problem, just to write it, you're probably going to need some rest. F. Well, let's not use F here. G. Of A, B, C, D, E, and F. That's why I don't want to use F, because I need 6 variables. Maybe I'll use black to write with. It comes out darker. Ready for this? That's where the ones are. 0, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 21, 20, 22, 24, 25, keep on writing, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 47, 48, 49, 54, 56, 57, 59, 61, 63. What is 2 to the power of 6? 64.
What did you say after that? Like to record? Thank you. Yeah.
2 to the 6 is 64. So you go from 0 to 63. I'm going to need 4 K-maps. 4. I'll wait till you finish writing these here. No.
No?
One K-map?
That would be insane.
Yeah.
You technically could.
You gotta cut them to 4 pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I could see 2 diagonals, but it would be a mess.
We're gonna look at it as 4 separate K-maps next to each other. This is when A equals 0 and B equals to 0. Right next to it. A equals to 0, B equals to 1. Right, that's 0, 0, 0, 1. Right next to it. Okay, here we go. This is when A equals to 1, B equals to 1. They have to be adjacent. When you stack them, they're on top of each other. Bottom, on top of it, and top of it, and the last one really small writing here. This is A equals to 1, A equals to 0, no 1, 1, B equals to 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That's what that is. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. A and B are used in the bottom, C, D, E, F.
As long as you realize that A is true.
C, D, E, F.
Later on, it will probably matter. We need the first 7 variable one.
C, D, E, F.
On the bottom.
And the last one, C, D, E, F. And let me take a break from it. Walk away, look the other way. Relax for a while. Then I'm going to come back and number each cell.
How many notes per cells now? Like,
Huh?
are they
Well, A is 0, B is 0. So each one is 6 digits. When you begin with 0, 0, that's the first 16. So that's location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is A is 0, B is 1. That's the next 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We're halfway through. I jump to that one. That's A is 1, B is 0. That's the next 16. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Next one, A is 1, B is 1. That's the last group. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Someone said, how do you know which one is which? Let me take something and drop it. Come on. I need something different, like small and different. Pointy thing. Let's see. Let me take a battery out of this. Here we go. I'm going to drop this battery. Oh, I want it to land somewhere. Come on. No luck. Yep, there we go. Right there. We said that's location what? 56, right? Why? Well, let's look at it. I'm going to erase that in a second. You have 6 variables. A, B, C, D, E, F. A is 1, B is 1. C is 1, D 0. E is 0, F is 0. Okay, what's the decimal value of that? Let's see if it's 56. Is that a 56? Remember the weight is 1, 2, 4. So far that's 8, 16, and 32. What's 8 plus 16 plus 32? 56. That's how you know which location is. That's why this is the last 16, because A is 1, B is 1. When you list your variable, you go by 1s, by 2s, by 4s, by 8, by 16, by 32, by 64. There's 4 groups of 16. 0, 0, that's the first group. 0, 1, the second group. 1, 0, the third group. 1, 1, the last group. That's why the numbering is that way. Now, God help us trying to read that. Hopefully it won't be bad.
It's not too bad.
Nope. Let's put the 1s in. There we go. I have it as 0, 4. Once I find the 6, the 8, the 9, the 11, the 12, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 31. Where's the 31? 32, 34. Where's the 34? 36, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 47, 48, 49, 54, 56, 57, 59, 61, 63. Hallelujah. Notice these 4.
See that 16 box plot?
That's a box of 16. Everyone see that?
C and F are the only ones.
Yep. 2 to the 16. 2 to the power of what is 16? 4. That means 4 of the variables will disappear. 4 out of 6. So your expression for that should be 2. A and B are changing all over. So it's gone. Both A and B are gone. If you look at C and D, C is staying 1. That's C. D is changing. E is changing. F is staying. CF.
The top left and right corners also work.
I see that. I also see, look right here,
Oh, yeah. Good. 8.
with this. They're on top of, see this one on the bottom, this is on top of it, this is on top of the third one, that's the top one. So these two are on top of each other. That's a group of what? 8. A is staying 0, B is changing. So that's what? A bar, E bar, F bar.
The top left and right corners also work. That's also a
The
group
top?
of 8.
Where?
0, 8, 16, 24, 14,
0, 8, wait, 0, 8,
16, 24,
16 and 24,
48, 56, 32.
32. If you picture them on top of each other, remember the thing folds. Everyone see that? I'm going to color that in purple. 4 by 4. So A and B are changing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A and B are changing, so they're gone. Let's look at that. C is changing, that's gone, right? D is 0, that's D naught. E is 0, that's E naught. F is 0, that's F naught.
6, 22, 54, 38.
I'm looking to see if anything else, but to get this one, I can take it with that, but it doesn't help me.
No, you want to do 6 with.
I know, I can take it with this. I'm looking for other option maybe, but I still have that one. So even if I group these guys as it's on top of each other, that's a group of 4. That didn't get rid of this one. I already used that one, but if I take this one
You have,
with this,
54.
with this, and with this,
You're probably going to do the grouping.
so you'll know that's that group there. So if I group the yellow ones here, I will have A and B are gone. So we have C bar, D, E, F bar. I'm almost done grouping. There's a couple of them I can group. And I see a 1 here, I see a 1 here. I go, well, those ones, I can take them as a group of 4 in that cell. Can you see that? So if I take these as a group of 4, A did not change, B did not change. Let's look at it. C stayed 0, that's C naught. D did change, it's gone. E did change, that's gone. F is 0, F naught. I see this one and that one still not used yet.
You can do.
This one, I can take it with this one.
You can do first
Can't you do a group of
And
48, 49, 56, 57?
where is it?
Just do 4 is the one you just
48,
circled.
49,
48, 48, where's the 49? Wait. 48, 49,
56, 57.
where's 56 and,
Opposite side.
I could, yes. Yep. This and this and that. That's a group of 4 is better than a group of 2. Good eyes. So there's a group of 4 that gets rid of that. And again, that's A is 1, B is 1, C is changing, D is 0, E is 0, and F is changing. And the last one we have not grouped yet is that one.
We got a few different.
There's 4 of them.
We could do the 4 corners also.
With this, that, yes, or you can do these 4. So you have more than one option to that one. Notice if you do that group here, you will have what? A, B naught, C, D naught, or if you do the 4 corners, see the 4 corners for it? Still going to be A, B naught, but now if you do the 4 corners, that's going to be what? C is changing, that's gone. D is not changing, that's a 0, D naught. E is changing, that's gone. F is not, that's F naught. So this one or that one, you can take these 4 or the 4 corners. Not that bad. Just gotta keep your eyes open. You gotta remember, this is the bottom layer, this is on top of it, this is on top of the second one, that's on top of the third one. And this are adjacent like this.
Would you be able to go from the first layer to the 4th layer?
The first and the fourth?
Yes.
If they are what? On the edges, because you gotta wrap the edges around.
Okay,
You
so
know.
only,
Well, you can do them actually, because you can take the edges, go like this. So if they're at the top, just think of it, it's like a slingy. You're sitting like this, but you can take it and wrap it and go like this, so it's still adjacent.
so only the 0, 0?
No, you can take
layer
these
with
guys.
1, 0 layer?
You can take these guys.
Yeah, I'm just asking, there's no other spot on the first and 4th layer that would be able to go together?
Like this and this can't, right? They're not adjacent, there's one between them.
Yeah. that's
This
what-
and this they
that-
can't.
That's what I'm asking.
Yep, this and this you can't. There's a layer between them, but these two, if you bend them like this, they are adjacent. Just like if you take this and bend them like this edges and that edges are adjacent because you can fold them.
Yeah, that's what I was
Yep.
asking.
Let's see if I can grab another one of 16 variable. I usually put them on two, 'cause like I was squeezing it right there. I usually put them like on top of each other, it makes it easier on me. But I think this might be even better just to put them next to each other. Except I feel like I gotta write really small to fit them all in.
I did it in
Yeah.
top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right.
This and this.
No, instead of doing it in one line, just have the, just spread out the area over the page.
What time is it now? Oh. We're looking to see if we can squeeze another one quickly, like if I make it short enough. Maybe I won't put a lot of ones in it. I won't put a lot of ones in. I won't label them all. I'll just jump to it. Let's take this. 4 variables. I'll try to do it quickly. I mean 6 variables. Sorry, not 4. 6 4K maps. 6 variables. G. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Just another example.
Yes, just a quick one. I'll cut some corners on that one because I know you got to get out of here. 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15, then 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 29, 30, 31, 33, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 49. We're making progress. 52, 53, 54. 55, 60, 61. Whew. 4 tiny K-maps. This is A equals to 0, B equals to 0. C, D, E, F. I'm not going to number these. I'm just going to go through them. This is A equals 0, B equals to 1. C, D, E, F. Two more. C, D, E, F. A equals 1, B equals 1. And the last one, the fourth one, that's going to be stacked on top of them. Again, the way we write them, they stack on top of each other. A equals 1, B equals to 0. I'm going to put the zeros in 1. This is telling me yes or no. So I'm going to go. This is location 0. Is there a 1 in it? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there a 1 in 4?
Yes.
5,
No.
6,
Yes.
7,
Yes.
8,
Yes.
9,
No.
10,
Yes.
11,
No.
12,
No.
13,
Yes.
14,
No.
15,
Yes.
16,
No.
17,
No.
18,
Yes.
19,
No.
20,
Yes.
21,
Yes.
22,
Yes.
23,
Yes.
24,
No.
25,
No.
26,
Yes.
27,
No.
28,
No.
29,
Yes.
30,
Yes.
31.
Yes.
Right here now. 32,
No.
33,
Yes.
34,
No.
35,
No.
36,
Yes.
37,
Yes.
38,
Yes.
39,
Yes.
40,
Yes.
41,
No.
42,
Yes.
oh, 43,
No.
44,
No.
45,
No.
46,
No.
47,
No.
48,
No.
49.
Yes.
What am I, 49? 50,
No.
51,
No.
52,
Yes.
53,
Yes.
54,
Yes.
55,
Yes.
56,
No.
57,
No.
58,
No.
59,
No.
60,
Yes,
61,
yes,
62,
that's it.
63. Nope, that's
If you
it.
added a 5, it'd be much quicker.
If I add a 5,
Yeah.
5 will go right here. I can take this and this and this and that. It'll be perfect. And fortunately, I just took this out of the book and that's what I see.
Well, you could still grab 6, 10, 22, 26, the bottom row for A equals 0, B equals 0. You see 01, 10 in all of the lanes, in all the boxes.
Here,
Yep.
those are not adjacent.
Okay.
Those not adjacent. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. I can see an obvious one, which is this 4 with that 4. That makes an 8. And this 4 and that 4, that'll make an 8 on top of each other. I'm not sure if I need them yet, so I'll wait on that. Let's do the ones I don't have any choice. I have to grab them.
Top right of it.
Let's look at this one and this one. The only way to take it is with this one, right? So I can take that. Do you see that?
Can you go up one?
If I grab these, that's an 8 of them. A and B are gone. What do I have? C bar, D, E is changing, that's gone, F is 0, F bar. I also notice, unless I am blind, you tell me if I see this. Uh-oh. Nope, I am blind, I guess.
So can you take the, for those last two that you were just working on, you just take the whole row, the 0, 1, or no?
Which one?
The last two that you just circled right there?
This and this?
Yeah, you just,
Yeah.
I could take the whole thing, yep, I could take the whole thing. I thought I'm gonna grab this with this, with this, with this, but
yeah, but
it didn't work out. Yeah, I could take that. I'm just waiting on them to see, because sometimes you can include them somewhere else. You know, I get excited when I see them, go, oh, this would be perfect. But then I realize, oh, I don't need them, I use them somewhere else.
yeah.
So this is actually not there, because the eyes deceived me.
For the first box, the top right one,
This and this?
yeah, that's the only one that it really goes with.
How about with that one? See this?
Oh, I didn't see that by the time.
And that's A is changing, that's gone. B is 0, that's B naught. C is 1. D is 0. E is what? Changing. And F is not. That's good. I see. Somebody recommended to group these 4 together with these 4 to grab these 2 ones here.
But everything's already accounted for.
Well, these, no, we didn't group these 2 yet.
Oh,
That's not, I thought I was going to go with this and that. That didn't work out.
you
So I can take,
might not need to.
well, I'll just highlight it to see if I need it. I don't see how I'm going to group that 1. You know?
You could do it in.
I can do this, this, and
Oh,
this.
Yeah, but
But that's only 4.
no, it'd be the left side. So you could, you see what I'm saying? Left, and then you can group the other 2 with the 2 to the right of that one. And then for that
Which
other
two?
one that's left over there.
I'll leave this one. I'm not sure if I need it or not, so I'll just highlight it. Potential. Now, these two ones here, I can take them with these. I can take them with this.
Because if you do it with
Yeah.
that, then you clear the first box. If you take the
I still have the one here.
yeah, but then you can
Yeah.
take the one on each of the other boxes.
I can take, that'll give me a 4 ones. See the 4 ones here? Because this one, I can go with this as 2. 2 and 2, that'll give me 4. But since I didn't group these guys, I'll still leave me with that one if I group them.
But then you can
Yep.
do a different 4 somewhere.
Let's see. This with the, because I'm thinking the 2 and the 2 can give me a 4 here too. Or I can take it with that too. If I do that, A and B are gone. C is what? 0. D is 1. E is 1. F is 1.
Now,
I can take these two together.
yeah.
That will give me what? A is 0, B is changing. C is 1, D is 1, E is changing, F is 1.
You forgot to put A bar.
A bar, thank you. Yep. I can take these as 4 to get these two. If I take these as 4, that will give me what? A is 1, B is 1. C is changing, D is 1. And what else? E is 0.
We didn't use those two in the last box, right?
Which one?
In the pink?
No, we didn't use, I'm holding them. So I use every one of these, so I don't need, now this one, that one, but that's good news, because I can take it with this. See this? So now I use every one in the pink, which means I don't need to read the pink. A is 1, B is 0 and changing, that's gone. C is 0, yep. D is what? Changing. E is 0, F is 1. The only thing, actually we did not read these two ones and that one. That's easy to fix.
Yeah. because
These two ones, I can take them as a group of 4.
And
I-
then you can do a group of
4 here.
you can do a group of 8 instead.
Where's 8?
The O1 line and the O0. Just do the line to the right of it also.
This one.
Nope, nope. Down, up and down.
Let me just do this one first.
Yep, that one first. and
That's
then
them.
do the vertical.
Wait. This and this, oh, I see what he's saying. Yep, take it with that one. Instead of taking with this 4, that's a group of 8. I got you now. That would be what? If you take this group, that's A naught, B, E, F naught. And the last one, instead of a group of 4 here, yes, you take it with this pink one. So this pink and this pink, I can take it to get a group of 8. I didn't use that one, but these two I can group them, and that will give me what? A is changing, B is 1, C is 0, excuse me, D is 1, and that's it. Woo! I need to go see my eye doctor now.
You have 2 pluses in a row there.
Wow, that's so good. We liked it so much, we had 2 pluses there. And it's all set now.